Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I'll show you how you can grow sugarcane at home. So my family has been growing sugarcane for more than 50 years now. My grandfather started it and I'm continuing the tradition till date. So over all these years, I'll tell you what exactly works for sugarcane and how you can get good results. So let's get into it. So these are the nodes from which a sugarcane grows. And this is the pot where we are going to plant the sugarcane. While eating a sugarcane, we usually throw these nodes. These nodes are the hard parts that we usually throw away. So a sugarcane grows from these nodes only. So what I have done here is, after eating a sugarcane, I have just cut those nodes so that we can grow sugarcane. Now where is my dagger? I need my dagger. Yeah, here it is. Now I am loosening the soil so that we can grow sugarcane here. You have to make sure that the orientation of the node is correct. The node should point upwards and not downwards. So while sowing sugarcane nodes, just keep this in mind. Push it gently and it will go in the soil. Initially you can grow them very close to each other, but once they start growing, then you will have to transplant them. Now I am growing them very close to each other, and once they start growing, I'll transfer them to ground. The only thing left now is watering, and here it is done. So here is an update after 5 days. See, some nodes have already started to grow. This one has just started. 2 or 3 have grown bigger than 1 inch, otherwise all other nodes are very small right now. And in this pot only one has grown. Now here is an update after 10 days. See, a lot of nodes have started to grow now. Many of the nodes are around 10 inch now. And now see, after 10 days also, some nodes have just started to grow. Therefore, I want you all to keep one thing in mind. While growing any plant or any seeds, some will grow quickly and some will not. So you have to be patient here. Now I will tell you that sugarcane will start to grow after 10 days. But what if you have nodes like these, which are growing after 10 days? So you will be discouraged, right? Even after 10 days nothing has come, and you will start thinking that you have bad quality nodes. And in reality, that is not the case. You just have to be patient. It is like this only with gardening. You have to be patient. It has been around a month now, and I have decided to transplant them to ground. So I'll remove them gently. See, these nodes have also got some roots, but it did not grow. So sadly you cannot use them. We have to use only those which have grown. So I am here with my dagger again, and I am transplanting the node in ground now. Place it gently and cover it with soil. My garden soil already has fertilizer, but still I'm topping it off with some fertilizer because it is a new plant and it needs more fertilizer initially. Now you have to water it and done. See the color of that water, it is actually not plain water. I am using liquid fertilizer here which I made from kitchen waste because initially it needs fertilizer. Now I have to transplant these nodes also. So I've removed all of them and I'll go to my backyard to transplant them all. So sugar can grow very tall and it won't look good in my garden. That is why I will grow these nodes in my backyard. And there is one interesting thing that I found. Notice these 3 nodes. They have grown very tall. And the one common thing I found in all of them is that the nodes that I used were longer in length. So longer nodes give good results and they grow fast and tall. I hope you liked this video guys, and if you did, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel because I keep bringing new videos that will surely help you. Bye.